Hi, my name is Jasmine. My husband Gozi and I are expats who have lived in both India and Morocco. I love to travel, and when I can, I love trying new foods too. And today, we are in New York City visiting landmarks via boat. So we are here with Landmark Cruise. I think it's Landmark Cruise. It's a Landmark Cruise. Let me say it like that. And we just walked about 40 blocks. We walked about 40 minutes to get here to this. I'm going to put all the information for this cruise in the blog post that I will put together, and I'll also put it down below. But yeah, we're about to get started and I'm really excited. I feel like this is going to be a really amazing way to see a lot of stuff in one fell swoop. I think it's 2 hours, an hour and a half, right? That I don't get nauseous. But other than that, I'm really excited for today's tour. My love, so what are you excited to see?
Excited for? Or?
To see on this tour.
I had distracted, so I wasn't thinking.
Oh my gosh.
What am I excited to see? Maybe like a dolphin or like a shark.
You think that'll be on this tour? Like, I mean, like the landmark, since this is a landmark cruise.
Oh.
Yes. I got all the landmarks that you might see.
Madison Square Garden.
Richie Caldwell House, Richie.
I'm excited to see the Statue of Liberty, and I don't know if we'll see the Empire State
That's
Building
New
on
York,
this.
huh? That's where we are. I'm excited for Statue of Liberty. That would be dope. If we saw Statue of Liberty, we can go home.
After this, you'll go home after this? Like after this?
Because that's why you come to New York.
We'll start with the fact that Manhattan is an island. We'll start there because there are people who actually live on it and don't know it's an island. We meet them when they come here. It gets awkward.
That's really awkward.
The other name.
So far, so good. This is definitely worth it. I feel like it was actually a lot less expensive than maybe it should have been. So I highly recommend that you do this. There's one that's $19 as well if you want to check it out, try it out for yourself. I think it's a shorter tour. This one is cool. We haven't gone outside yet because it is kind of crowded, but maybe we'll venture outside in a little bit. This is fun so far, and I think we have about maybe another half an hour. Yeah, it's actually cold. I think it's about 79 degrees today or less. Yeah, you would assume that it feels really nice out here, but I think this is probably the coldest that I felt almost all summer since the heat wave began. Like in Virginia, DC, and even in Colorado, it's been hot, and now it's not. But being outside, clearly, I don't need this mask. It's actually very nice to just breathe this fresh air.